Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to sign up for E-ZPass online. Start by opening the E-ZPass website for your state. Each state has a similar layout, so the steps will look almost the same. Once the website loads, look at the top of the page. Find the E-ZPass button in the navigation menu. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From that menu, select the option that says Open an Account. You will now be asked to choose the type of account. Select either private or business, depending on your needs. After making your selection, click on the button that says Sign up for new user. Next, you will be asked to enter your mobile number. Type in your number carefully, then complete the verification step. This usually involves entering a code that is sent to your phone. After your number is verified, you will move on to the Personal Details section. Enter your first name, last name, and home address. Then add your email address and confirm your phone number. You will also need to create a username and password. Make sure your password is secure but easy for you to remember. Once all your details are filled in, continue to the next steps. You will need to add your vehicle information, including license plate details. Then choose your replenishment method and request your E-ZPass tags. After that, select your payment method and enter the required billing details. Finally, review and verify all your account information before submitting. Thanks for watching.